Finally! Little guy.
Hey guys, we're going to be doing some fishing today. I'm here with my boy Jose. So this is a little bit of a special video. I mean, I guess you could call it a surprise or something for 50 subscribers. Thank y'all for staying tuned and watching my videos. Anyway, so I had an idea to make homemade jigs. Go ahead and show you up close. So made those, and we're gonna try and catch some bass on these. So I made 2 of them. Jose's gonna be using one and I'm gonna be using this one. We're gonna see if we can't get any bites on them. And we're at one of the OG ponds. Nice place. It's a little bit flooded, but you know, that's okay. You gotta deal with what you gotta deal with. Anyway, let's get this started.
What? There you go.
I got my jig snagged on a lily pad and kind of got destroyed, so that sucks. I'm still gonna be fishing with the actual jigs that I have from Strike King. They are magnificent jigs, by the way, and I'm gonna be using my bait caster for a little bit. But yeah, that sucks, man. Dang it. Nice fish. We're gonna keep fishing. I'm trying to cut this trail through the woods so we can access more water, but nice fish, man.
Thank you, sir.
Finally! Little guy. Oh my gosh, yeah. Thank God.
Alright guys, so I just caught this little fish on a Strike King bitsy jig with a little yum trailer. Nice little jig setup. Gonna go ahead and get the release on this guy. I'm gonna give him a little toss because it's too far away from the water. Let's get him.
Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah, for my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay.
Hey guys, so I made it back home. We had a pretty good day fishing. As you can see, we didn't really catch any fish on the jig, so it was kind of a little bit of a failed attempt. Anyway, I'll try again. I also have some saltwater jigs that I could try too. I'll make some more of them, but yeah, as you can see, it got torn up after I got it snagged on the lily pad, so that kind of sucks. But anyway, thank you guys for 50 subscribers. I really do appreciate that. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.
I do 'cause I'm feeling so cool.